Okay, so I am recording this video again, and this is the shape that I am recording. All right, I'm going to start from the front plane, and let's see what we have. I am going to make a rectangle coincident with my origin. I think that's pretty easy. So I'm going to put in some dimensions. So from the center point of my interior circle to the base, that should be 58 millimeters. The overall width should be 82. And then the height of my base should be 10. And I am going to make this symmetric. And I will put my circles here. All right, let me make that tangent. And then mirror that and put in some dimensions. So that one's 22. This one is 38. Everything is black. I am going to extrude. Um, let's see. My circle, that will be extruded to 12. And looks like that's going to be 10. And hmm, that is going to be, my base will be, or is that 38? It looks like the circle should have been extruded the other way. So, I mean, all I'm going to do is just change the direction of that arrow, and that looks to be better. But it looks like I need to do an offset. So let me offset that to 10 the other way, and same for this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, I guess that, I'll do a sketch there. And I'm going to put in my reference line, and I need some circles. Okay. I'll put in two circles, and it says that um this outer circle should be 20. Let me verify that. It looks to be correct. And it looks like this radius should be 14. I'll do that afterwards. I think I'll do a boss. And then this interior circle, it looks like that should be 10. All right, I'm going to mirror those. And I think what I want to do is I'm going to save that. Let me go to my boss tools because it looks like I need to make my center points for my circles coincident with these radii right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put in those boss fillets. And that should be a radius of 14. And now I can go back into my sketch. So, mm, there we go. I am going to just grab that so that I can get that center point. And I want that center point and that center point to be coincident. Oh, we don't like that. I need to delete that. There we go. All right. And let's see. We need to make a hole through. So we're going to remove that. And when we cut our sketch back on, we need to remove 2 millimeters. And that looks to be correct. All right, so let me assign, oh, nope, I'm not done yet. I want to make a sketch on my right plane. And because I need something there. Um, let's see if I can get the height. So this will be coincident with that edge there. And then it looks like the height should be the same as the width. So let me grab that. Those two should be equal. All right, so now I can extrude that. And the extrusion will be 10. And that's going to be a symmetric extrusion. And now that looks right. So let's assign aluminum 1060. And let's take a look at our mass, 0.175 kilograms. And that is it. If there are any questions, please let me know or put your question in the comments.